Well, today I'm at Rouken Glen. It's the afternoon. I probably left it a bit crazy because parking here is crazy. But I'll go and see if I can get some pictures. There's a wee waterfall right behind me there. It's a nice wee waterfall. I've looked it up a couple of times. And there's a waterfall behind the bridge as well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get set up down here somewhere. I'll need to wait the sun get away because it's quite bright, like right now, an ideal shot. And it'll be a landscape and portrait shot for this location. Quite a nice park. The water's up the park is quite blue and there's some pictures to be had on the way up. And I'll get them on the way home. So I'm going to get set up, see what I can get, and I'll show you. Right, this is a live view in camera. So I focused here, I focused on these wee trees that are sticking up, and I focused on the waterfall. I've done this when the sun wasn't as bright, so we just got to wait and the sun going away and getting a better exposure. Exposure wise, right now 25 seconds, f11, IS was 100. I've took landscape and portrait. I'm going to look about now and see if I get something else. And I'll show you the images if the images work out. Right, I've just moved down a wee touch. As you can see, I'm waiting on the sun getting away again. It's quite right. I'll take this wee shot up here. Just down a wee slight, and I'll keep the ferns in that are there. The ferns are just hanging over. Hanging there, whatever you want to say. I'll walk down there further and we'll see if there's anything else about. Something's just went in my back strap there. I better stop. Right, I'm back again. It was just my tripod going through my bag, falling through my bag. Now, it's quite busy this part of the day. I've came in the afternoon instead of first thing in the morning, possibly. I'll probably come back first thing in the morning. There's hardly anybody about. Maybe autumn, winter. But right now I'm set up, I'm still waiting on the sun disappearing. That's what happens there. It will disappear. I know it will. And when it does, I'll be clicking. So walk back down a wee bit further. Nah, I'm going to go in here. See if there's anything. Maybe down there or in between the rocks it looks right up. See the big waterfall? I don't know. Maybe I should have had my wellies with me. Over there looks a bit wee flat rock in the middle there, I think. Yeah, I'm going to try and get over there. My feet get wet, my feet get wet. That happens. Well, I managed to get out onto this rock here, just over there somewhere. But that tree there is overhanging. It's blocking the top waterfall quite a bit, unfortunately. I'll just take a couple of pictures here and then I'll head back there. I don't know if this is the only waterfalls. I'll walk back down the trail a wee bit further and have a look. Nice wee bit here. Nice for camping. Just a wee waterfall there, not much. Nothing spectacular. So if you're going to visit Rouken Glen, try and get in the morning when there's nobody about really, because it is quite busy. Every 2 minutes there's somebody going by. So when the sun's out today, it's no helping. But I'm going to keep walking down the river here and see if there's any other wee waterfalls, and then I'll walk back. It's down this way, there's plenty of wee bridges. If I start climbing back up a hill, I'll just come back. Still following the water, but I don't know where it's going. I'm looking for another waterfall if possible. But we'll see. Seems to be a wee bit of water down there. I'm going uphill here, so as I said, I'll turn back. I'll go to the bridge, and there's a wee path there, and I'll follow that and we'll see if there's anything else. So that's it there. Another wee one. I'll probably photograph this to somewhere. I see. Now you need to jump the fence. Let's have my Wellington's on. I'm going to jump the fence here. Down there a wee bit. Yeah, right down there. Oh, you're right in there, down that wee bit there, and I'll just put that wee platform there. That red rock, it's quite good to stand on, it's non-slip. Tried it up there a bit, so I'll get a wee one there, looking up towards that wee waterfall. I think that's probably maybe about it. I'll maybe just go back, keep going down this road here a wee bit. There's a bridge there, then I'll come back, capture this. Yeah, there's nothing else here anyway. A bit of ruins, nice bridges, well signposted. I'm just looking for waterfalls. There's a nice view of that one there, as you can see in the distance. I'll get down in there, see what I can get. There's a wee house, a wee mill obviously. At one point. So I'll get down there. That's me, made my mind up. That's where I'm going. Right, as I said earlier, I was coming down to this wee stream here. The wee Toty Rapids. I took a wee picture here at this angle to see. It's clearer now. I've zoomed in slightly. 0.4 and f11 ISO still a 100. I'm going to take a couple of pictures here at this point and I'll let you see them when I finish. Still a busy wee place, very busy, plenty of people about, and I said it's during the day, afternoon anyway. I'll probably move into the water slightly. You see that rock, that's pure red and non-slip too, which is really good. I'm not going to fall. I'm going to set up a couple of shots here and I'll let you see them, how they turn out, and then I'll get back to you. we're still standing here in the river. We've just been taking a few shots. It's really no slippy at all. Alright, my feet are getting wet, but needs must. I might just take a wide angle shot here. It looks quite good in the camera. Plenty of greenery while the sun's out. Right, here's another shot set up. I've moved up slightly again for down there, and I'm just letting the water flow out to the left of the picture. Obviously it's level at the top where that straight waterfall is. Obviously man-made from the mill days. Anyway, that's the shot set up for this. I'm going to zoom in now and maybe get a couple of wee individual close-ups. Right, so I've worked my way down, I've worked my way back now, so I'll get the top bridge waterfall here, and then into the park, and then home, and I'll come back early morning. Well, that's me back. I'm done for the day. I think I'll go home, edit some, try and get them on for tomorrow, Sunday again, pushing it. Who cares? I'm going to try. And I think I got some pictures. We'll see. I'll show you them. I got some video, but it's really busy here. So it is a morning place, I think. First thing in the morning would be nice, quiet, and get time to just relax and do your thing. Anyway, if you like this wee video, give us a wee like, a wee subscribe. It helps the channel. Just a wee like, wee thumbs up even. You don't need to subscribe and listen to me every week, but I'm going to be somewhere else next week. So come along and I'll maybe see you next week somewhere different.